In this video, I will show you how to delete a TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. From the main screen, click on profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. And once you're on your profile page, click on three lines in the top right corner. And from the menu that appears, click on settings and privacy. Now in the settings menu, click on account. And in account section, you will see the option deactivate or delete account. Click on it. Now choose the option of delete account. Now the app will ask you for the reason. So choose the reason from the given options and click on continue. And then TikTok will ask you to confirm your decision. And it will also explain what will happen when your account is deleted, such as losing all your videos, likes, followers, and messages. And click on continue. And you will be asked for the one last time if you're sure you want to delete your account. So click on delete to confirm, and once you have confirmed, TikTok will deactivate your account for 30 days. During this time, your account would not be visible to others, but you can still log in and reactivate it. If you change your mind after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted.